Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. I have already discussed some important topics of digital electronics in my channel. From previous class, I will start some other important topics of digital electronics like canonical expression in my channel. Those who are not subscribe my channel but follow my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. It will encourage me. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब की बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके रखिए ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो लेकर आऊँ आपको पता चले. So let's get started. In today's class, we also discuss about conversion from non-canonical SOP to canonical SOP. In previous class, we also discussed about this topic. In today's class, we discuss about one more example of conversion from non-canonical SOP to canonical SOP form. So, let's start our discussion. Our second example is express f, which is a function of w, x, y, z, that is equal to z dot w bar plus x bar z in canonical SOP. So, it is a non-canonical form. Why it is a non-canonical form? We already discussed about this topic because some variable term are missing in this expression. So, this is a non-canonical SOP form. So, in which process a non-canonical SOP is converting to canonical SOP? Here we discuss about this topic, right? So, once again, we write the equation, that is z dot w bar plus x bar z. In next line, we simply multiply z with w bar plus x. So, what we get here, that is z dot w bar plus zx plus x bar z. So, in this expression, here we saw that is, here x and y term is missing, here y and w term is missing, here w and y term is missing. So, in third line, we can multiply zw bar with x plus x bar dot y plus y bar, because we know that is x plus x bar and y plus y bar is equal to 1, and because in this first term these two variables are missing, so here we multiply w bar z with x plus x bar and y plus y bar. Second term, w and y term are missing. So here we can multiply xz with w plus w bar and y plus y bar, right? In third term, w and y term is missing. So in third term, x bar z can multiply with w plus w bar and y plus y bar, right? So here we simply multiply w bar z with, first we multiply x plus x bar with y plus y bar. So here we get xy plus xy bar plus x bar y plus x bar y bar. In next term, y plus y bar multiply with w plus w bar. So here we get wy plus wy bar plus w bar y plus w y bar. Okay. In Third term, w plus w bar is multiplied with y plus y bar, and this term is multiplied with x bar z. So in first bracket what we can write, that is wy plus wy bar plus w bar y plus w bar y bar, which is multiplied with x bar z. In next line we can multiply w bar z with this term, and here we get this fourth term. Next, this fourth term is multiplied with xz, and here we get another fourth term plus this wy plus wy bar plus w bar y plus w bar y bar is multiplied with x bar z, and here we get another fourth term, right? Removing the repeated terms, and here we get this value, that is w bar x y z plus w bar x y bar z plus w bar x bar y z plus w bar x bar y bar z plus w x y z plus w x y bar z plus w x bar y z plus w x bar y bar z. So in SOP term, we know that is the single variable is represented by 1 and the complemented variable is represented by 0. So this is 0, 1, 1, 1. So first value is for M7. Next it is 0, 1, 0, 1. So next mean term is M5. So here we represent M5. Next term is 0, 0, 1, 1, that is equal to 3. So here we write M3. Next 0, 0, 0, 1, that is equal to 1. So here we write M1 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 means 15. So here we write M15 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, that is equal to 13. So here we write M13. 1, 0, 1, 1, that is equal to 11. So here we write M11 plus 1, 0, 0, 1, that is equal to 9. So here we write M9. So these all term are mean term. So in this expression all variables are present in each term. Here also 4 variables are present. Here also 4 variables are present. In this term also 4 variables are present. In this term also 4 variables are present. Like this, in each and every term of this equation 4 variables are present. So this is a canonical SOP form and this is a non-canonical SOP form, because in this expression some variables are missing in the term. Okay, so what is the decimal notation of this canonical SOP? That is summation m 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So this is the function of canonical SOP form, right? So here we end today's session. Thank you. If you like my video then please like, share and subscribe my channel. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.